Okay guys, I have found a new technique in Ratchet and Clank 3 and I want to tell you something about it. Making this technique, I wanted somehow to replace shock crystals from Ratchet and Clank Sizemers in the Ratchet and Clank 3, and I made it. You need turret in this technique, and technique it's calling the solid pointing. SOLID POLINTING. Yeah. How to make a solid point is plant some turrets in one or in a corner, it's easier. And now you need to striking on them. Oh crap, one right here. Right, and now keep striking on them and double jump. And you see, I made a solid point. Oh crap, that I can stand on when I was striking. Alright, now I'm on top of the here, and here are some cool glitches. You can range climb this. You'll be on top. Yeah, that's cool. Walk around. You can go upper. Yay. But you cannot touch those turrets or those things, and you can go up to here, whole things. There you can fall. Yeah, you can go upper. Oh no! Yes. Crap, sorry about this. Yeah, so go upper and upper. You'll be on top, but you can make it there. Charge will shoot and wrench, and you're here. Yay. Right, hold on a second. Okay guys, here is another place where you can plant a solid point, right in this corner. And tell me if this technique is old or new, cause I don't know. Oh crap. Yeah, and you're on top of here. Very cool. Can high jump on this. Yay. Go more here. High jump on this. Greeny roof. Yeah. And quick clear way to the titanium bolt. But wait a second. I want to show you. If you don't want to plan a solid point right here, do the following. Wall jump, and grab. And you can turn around and be here without solid pointing. I'll try to get on that roof, never tried before. Oh, don't. I'm in a place where it's titanium bolt. Alright guys, just wait a second. Alright guys, in the last part I said... Oh crap. Wait a second. Yeah, in the last part I said you cannot make it up there. Wait. Yeah, don't. Yeah, here's a shortcut to get up there. I jump on this. Now, here. Yeah. You cannot make it up there. But now I own the solid points. And I can make it there. So plan it. You don't need to plan it only in a corner. No, I'm threading. This will be stupid thingy. Oh, no. Crap. Yeah, but you can grab it, but you never get up there. Or get just these was solid points, and now for the normal glitches. Okay guys, now I'm at the start of the Obani Gemini first moon. Don't know what's name. And you see these walls. You also, when you jump, you do this funny jump. And what you do is jump and press X while you touch about this thing. I don't know. Sometimes it will be funny jump, and sometimes it will be sliding up. But wait, because I wanted to die. Yes. See, I sliding up. I really don't know how you can do it. Yeah, look at this thing. Yeah, you can make it, wait a second, right here. Sometimes you can do crazy double jump, sometimes this. See, I double jump right down, but come on. Yes, and up this ball, Ratchet sliding up and die. Alright guys, just see you in the next part.